Hello my dear students from Dubai and Abu Dhabi. This is Dr. 𝗗𝗵𝗲𝗕𝗵 from MIT World Peace University Pune. Our university is a 4-decade-old institute from Pune and we are pioneer in engineering education in Maharashtra, the state in India. And very important, we are offering 155 plus programs in the different streams, starting from engineering with the programs in BTech in computer science and engineering, cyber security, forensic, data science and artificial intelligence. Along with this, we are having 10 specialized programs in BBA, we are having programs in design, we are having programs in pharmacy, we are having programs in economics. So my dear student, the good news for you is you can apply without any entrance exam. There is no entrance exam for the CIWGC student. Apart from this, you can avail 50% scholarships in all the program and the fees will be equal to the Indian students. My dear student, you can get the benefit of international, national exposure in our university through all these programs with a specially designed choice-based credit system we are having. This is a unique feature of our university, and with this I welcome you all to Affairs exhibition at Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Thank you very much.